Hi, this is Jia Khan from Pelago Realty. So once you complete your coursework, the 90 hours of it, you'll have an option to take the exam. And I did it right away. So the earliest I could find a date for the exam was 2 weeks out. And during those 2 weeks, I literally put my life on hold. Those 2 weeks, I was living, breathing real estate, and I was going through all the material day and night. I just did everything I could because I knew this was going to be my first try and my only try. I was hearing online people were taking it for 14 times even. And I had told myself if I can't do it once and not pass it, I pretty much shouldn't even be a realtor. So, this was sent to me by Kaplan, and this is the exam prep that they went through online as well, and the hard copy they gave. Yes, this I went through this. I can literally tell you what's on each page. Even now, I think this was so helpful, and the online teacher who is going through this material, I had that playing over and over again, just so it would just get implanted in my brain, and it would just like there's no way it can come out then, right? I just know everything about this book still. Then towards the end, the last week, that's when I'm like, oh my god, the exam's actually happening. I did my state version the last week, and I went through all of that. I wasn't very hardcore about it, so as you can see, no highlights for some reason. But lots of notes. So I went through these two workbooks that they gave us, and I did so many quizzes. I did so many Quizlets. I went over prepagent.com YouTube page. They have like these animated videos of each of the materials, and they go through this fun way of learning all of this. And just towards the end, I knew more than I needed to know. I realized I overstudied because the exam was not that hard. I mean, of course I'm going to say that since I passed it, but no, it's just like I did not want to mess up. That was just a pressure I had put on myself. Obviously, it's okay to mess up and retake the exam a gazillion times, and people do take the exam so many times. I'm just not one of those people. So I put so much pressure on myself to pass it the first time around. And I don't know. Go through Quizlets, go through the exams online, go through PSI 500 exam. I did it all. Whatever's online, there's just so many resources now. Like it's hard not to be overwhelmed with the type of information you have online. But at the same time, I'm so glad we have all that, because then you go in knowing more than you needed to know, and you come out happy because you find out right then and there if you passed it or not. So I wish you luck.